Got it?
Not yet, Mama. They're all not opened.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Then the last one.
Give me.
Okay, hang on.
Oh my God, you bro.
You got it? Are you eating the banana? Don't eat the banana. Not like that. Mashing means
Mama,
like
stop.
break it down. Break it down. Okay.
No, I want.
You want the small spoon? Okay. Go help Mama.
Watch this. Mama, no, I'll do it.
You want to do it? Not like that. You have to break it down.
Mama!
Your left hand holds
I'll
the
do
bowl.
it. I'll do it my own way. Let me do the mouth.
Go.
Let me do. I swear.
Slow down. Good job. Put all the dirty stuff right here. Mix it again. Yep, mix it. Two. Why are you eating it? All right, go ahead and put it. One. Go ahead and put it. You got it?
Yeah.
Ooh, stop eating it. All right. Okay, so we're gonna mix it with butter, like a line with butter. So I think this will be fine.
After you put the butter on top, can I eat it?
No, you're gonna mix this first. Go ahead. Luki, stop eating. Are you making banana bread or eating sugar?
I mean sugar.
Sit down.
I only said yes because I wanted to eat this sugar. Leave
Okay.
some sugar for me.
Honey, it's not good. It's not good to have so much sugar. Okay? Remember, we're gonna do the eggs, so get the eggs.
Where are the eggs?
It's over there.
Where?
Right there, by the loaf pan. Crack the eggs.
One is already cracked.
Okay. Go ahead. In the middle.
No, I'm not.
Okay, another one. But first, you mix it. Go ahead and mix it.
Oh my God.
Two. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put our banana.
It's not so like slime.
You ready? Put your banana.
It actually tastes like banana. Mama, we don't have to put
Okay,
the
mix it.
banana. We
Yes,
don't,
you do, and mix it.
it already tastes like banana.
Okay, just put it. Mix it. Mix it, Baba. Mix it. Slowly. One hand on the bowl so it doesn't spill. Slowly, not fast. How's it looking? Good? Bye.